welcome to Taylor Made Stories with a brand new episode with me Neeti Taylor Bao. I hope you all are doing really good. And अगर आप देख सकते हो कि ये सेटअप एकदम मस्त और नया है because I'm in Mumbai and I'm super excited and I'm very down to earth. That is why I'm sitting on the floor because that is me. But आज का टॉपिक है कि हम लोग अपना ध्यान कैसे रख सकते हैं, the mistakes that we can save ourselves from doing. So basically, I have gone through this a lot. My mother, my sister, I always talk for them also because मैं जो करती हूँ वो करते हैं, वो जो करते हैं मैं करती हूँ. So I like to share, मेरे पिटारे से नई things that I can help at least one of you. So basically, hair thinning, hair falling, ये बहुत होता है, and especially when like for me, it is because you shoot so much, so many products are involved in your hair, so many things they put, and then the heating products and these heating irons and वो products ही होते हैं, but हाँ ठीक है, whatever, you guys understood ना the मुद्दा. So basically ironing, straightening and all those products, mousse, shoes, gel, hairspray, everything ruins your hair. And trust me, मेरे बाल, if you guys know कैसी आ रहे हैं, मैं इतने लंबे थे, but also extensions लगा करते, like they used to put extensions, but extensions में भी आपके बाल जो है ना बहुत ruin हो जाते थे because they put a patch over here ना, so पूरा टकलापन हो जाता है because it's all the time pulling your hair. They also say that don't braid your hair so much because like it keeps pulling your hair, so then you lose out on hair. So if you can see, still today, till date, I have all baby hair because of all the pushing and doing all these things to my hair, and I love braids and I can't stop doing it, but still वो होता है ना, कुछ अच्छे के लिए कुछ भुगतना पड़ता है. So the same thing. So you can save yourself from 3 mistakes that I have made, and I am teaching you guys. At least one of you can learn this from me. So basically from hair loss and hair thinning. So आज का ये है मेरा segment. So let's begin. So now hair fall in today's time has become very common. Lekin of course excessive hair fall needs to be treated. Lekin the main issue is the regrowth of your hair. So we need to concentrate on taking care of our hair externally, internally, which will reduce hair fall and at the same time enhance the growth of your hair. So mistake number 1 is that when you wash your hair, you don't damp your hair. Don't go like, oh my god, ऐसे मत करना. And also tying your hair up, with the towel is wrong. Do not do that. Please, इतने breakage होते ना बाल के, I cannot tell you. So please do not be harsh on your hair and use the towel. Just damp your hair like that. Do not do anything else. So the second mistake is that we think maintenance of our hair means trimming your hair, washing them very often. But do you even know how important it is to follow hair care routine just like our skincare routine to ensure that our hair stays in the best of state? So controlling hair fall, we try to do too many DIY recipes and mess our hair even more. But if I tell you that there is something that is really good, it has the best ingredients to control your hair fall, I am talking about my fave hair control serum. Yes, you've heard it right, my fave ka hair control serum. It controls your hair from falling. I lately have been using this serum religiously twice a day, and of course I had to share it with you all. It has the key ingredients like arnica, cinchona, cedarwood oil, which promotes hair growth by strengthening your roots, and it is very easy to apply. Whenever you see your hair thinning, you take a few drops of the serum and apply it on your scalp in that area. Then massage the serum gently and only remember to focus on your scalp and not your hair. And then the best part is that you can see the texture of the serum is not at all oil based, so it can be used in the morning post bath and at night before sleeping for best results. So guys, remember, maintenance of your hair is equally important as your skin. Okay, so ये याद रखना. And the third point is water. Water is very necessary. You have to drink the right amount of water because it is मतलब वो आपके हेयर, आपके स्किन, आपका सब देखभाल करता है, बट ऑल्सो लाइक एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर should not happen because that will like पूरे जो antibodies हैं, antioxidants है, सब फिर flush out हो जाएंगे. So basically it's 3 to 4 liters in a day you must drink. And also बचपन से हमारी मम्मी ने हमें बहुत सिखाया है कि green leafy vegetables खाइए. So have पालक, have गोभी, have पत्ता गोभी, have tori, टिंडा, लौकी, सब खाओ because they are so healthy. And trust me, मैं बहुत सारी ये चीज़ें खाती हूँ. I love Loki, it's my favorite, and tori. So you should have these vegetables and you should drink plenty of water. Don't over excess the water also, I would say. Excess, yeah. So this is it. मैं बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया, लेकिन guys take care of yourself. It always starts from you. I always say that कि अपना ध्यान रखिए और सुरक्षित रहिए, सतर्क रहिए. Okay, so this is it. Signing off. Neeti Taylor Bawa. I hope you like this episode and you know what you have to do. You have to give a thumbs up to my episode and also ये जो My Fave का जो product है, पूरा description box में मैंने पूरी चीज़ें लिखी हुई है. So please click on it and go and buy this and it's amazing. एंड जिनके भी हेयर फॉल हो रहे हैं प्लीज़ माई फेव यूज़ कीजिए ये सीरम और आप देखिए मैजिक जो होने वाला है. ओके, सो आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ फाइनली. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Show all your love to TaylorMade Stories. Bye. See you. Stay healthy.